Anong ino-offer mo? When somebody asks you, kamag-anak mo, kaibigan mo, somebody asks you, ano bang ino-offer nyo? Ano ba yung Ascendra International? Pag tinanong ano bang ino-offer mo, ano bang Ascendra International, huwag ka nang lumayo dun sa tagline natin. Ginawa yung tagline na yon, not just to create a tagline. It is scientifically and psychologically placed there. Ascendra International, ang partner mo sa pag-asenso.
Hello, Ascenders! Welcome to
Shanghai, China! I'm in a sweet spot. I'm feeling good. The sun is shining. I knew it would. The world's a playground.
Ascendra goes to Shanghai! Woo!
Thank you sa mga founders dahil sobrang privilege yung binigay nila sa atin dahil kahit na bago pa lang yung company, talagang binigay nila yung best nila.
I'm on the big stage.
We are now in the tallest building in Shanghai, overlooking the whole Shanghai city.
The party's starting. It's going down. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Check it out.
It's really amazing, guys. Dito lang po yan, nakita po namin yan dahil sa Ascendra International. Kaya ikaw, Ascendra, iba ka sa iba. Dahil ang Ascendra, ang kapartner mo sa pag-asenso.
Ako bilang isang OFW, sobrang papasalamat ako sa Ascendra kasi yung Ascendra may puso. Pusong Ascendra talaga. Yung community is belong ka talaga dito. Yung treatment sa'yo like a family. So, kung ano yung meron sila, meron din po kami. Thank you so much, Sir Georgian, Sir Joseph Lim, Sir Miko and Ma'am Ses, Madam Tin. Thank you so much po, Ascendra family.
Hi, welcome to our Ascendra International Forum. This is our first face-to-face live presentation and I'm inviting each and every one of you. This is not just an MLM company. Kami po ay MLM Solution. This is a pioneering company and that's the reason why we are very, very happy to have you here. Kaya naman, sumama kayo sa movement na to, sumama kayo sa mission na to, and we're gonna make history in the Philippine MLM history.
Pakitabik yung sarili, pakisabi, I am ready to ascend! Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat, sa tiwala, sa energy. Today will be a reunion ng maraming mga aspiring entrepreneurs, maraming mga dreamers, committed dreamers, from MLM space, from business space. This is a reunion. And itataguyod natin yung mga Pilipinong ready umasenso. Kaya palakpakan niyo yung mga sarili niyo for coming here. We want to thank you.
Natin sa inyo, as a company, is yung mapagkakatiwalaan yung marketing plan. Kaya po, as a CMO, isa po sa responsibility ko is i-make sure na steady yung cash flow, healthy, para bawat hataw ninyo, sulit, kasi every check a day, andyan po yung pinaghirapan nyo, waiting to be claimed. Kasi hindi mangyayari lahat to. Wala ka dyan ngayon. Wala ako dito ngayon, wala kami dito ngayon, wala yung Ascendra International dito. Kung hindi tayo fated to meet each other, at kung hindi tayo destined to be better version of ourselves together.
Sino ang una na magiging top 1 ng Ascendra? This will be a breakthrough. Sabi nga, history in the making po ginagawa natin. Kaya are you proud na part po kayo ng history? Babalikan po natin to pagdating ng oras at isa lang masasabi mo, buti na lang. Buti na lang, nandito ka ngayon.
Hello, Ascenders! Congratulations to our first ever General Assembly this October 26, 2025. At darating na taon, lalo pang lalaki, lalo pa tayong dadami. So let's keep ascending, turbo!
Hi guys! Welcome Ascender sa ating General Assembly at nakaka-excite kasi imagine ninyo pang 4th month pa lang natin pero ganito na tayo karami. At etong event na to ang magtutuldok kung ano ba talaga ang meron sa Ascendra International. Kaya ano pang inaantay mo? Manood ka na!
Alright, this time we are now here sa ating General Assembly. Isa sa mga unang-unang event natin. Nakakaabangan ng lahat ng marami. Dito, we will be creating an event that is that's unforgettable sa marami nating mga kapartners.
Hello Ascenders! Ito na ang araw na ilalabas natin pa isa-isa ang ating mga secret weapon para ma-dominate natin ang network marketing industry sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo. This will be the start of the new era. Ascendra, ang partner mo sa pag-asenso.
us a dream na makapagsalita sa harap ng libo-libong tao na bitbit yung lakas ng loob.
Putting us all together here with one mission to be able to provide better lives for everyone here in Ascendra. Kwentuhan po tayo kasi first time kong matens. At itong first time kong matens, ngayon pa na nandito kayong lahat para i-celebrate itong another history ng Ascendra!
Sobrang sarap sa feeling na hindi pa pala huli yung lahat. May ibibigay talaga ng mga tao or opportunity para tultukan yung down moments mo para iangat ka. Pataas! Thank you, Ascendra!
From the name of the company itself, Ascendra, ascend to a new era. To run for the full throttle, we're going for full throttle. Unang-una, mga kaibigan, we're very, very excited kasi tuloy na ang pag-release ng ating mga produkto. Kanina nakaka-inspire kasi ang ganda, ang liwanag. First car. Pag may first, may second, third, fourth, fifth, dream car at marami pang pasunod.
Sino ang naniniwala sa kwartong ito na darating by 2027? We will be the largest networking company in the Philippines!
I'd like to welcome each and everyone, lahat ng Ascenders na nandito. Maraming sumama sa atin, not because of the marketing plan, not because of the products, but more importantly, because of the direction, the vision of the company. Lalaki kayo dito, magiging successful kayo. We will be the biggest MLM in 2026 because we have the solution. Kukunin natin sa i-reveal ko sa inyo ngayon. Kukunin natin ang pangarap nyo ng mas mabilis dahil sa i-reveal ko ngayon.
Sa lahat ng naniniwala na yayaman sila, pwede po bang pumalakpak? Uulitin ko, sabi nila, masarap daw pag malapit ka sa kusina. Pag sa Ascendra International ka, hindi ka malapit sa kusina, nasa kusina ka!
I make it look easy. I make it look easy. I make it look easy. Don't think you're ready for this.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ascenders, welcome to the night where everything changes. We are about to witness the beginning of a whole new era.
At ihanda na ang sarili for a magical night here at the Ascendra International Grand Launch.
I'll make it look easy. I'll make it look good. No doubt about it. It's understood. I'll make it look easy. I'll make it look good.
Welcome, Ascendra International! Amen! Papagugtong ang buong Pinoy Center! Grabe, talagang very exciting kasi ibang-iba talaga ang era na pinapakita ni Ascendra. Kaya tonight, Karen, there will be a lot of story that will move you and inspire everyone.
Grabe! Welcome to the era of Ascension. Iba talaga kapag nakikita natin sabay-sabay yung gusto nating mga buhay na gusto nating i-live. Welcome to your new world, Ascenders. I am Ascenda!
Welcome to your Ascenda experience.
Ang Ascendra International, even before our day 1, start up pa lang, ngayong day 1, we will give you out your daily payout. Dito, ang trabaho natin, ang commitment natin, ang mission natin, yung value na deserve ng mga naniwala sa atin. And that is why your wish in Ascendra is our command.
Whatever it takes, ipagtatanggol ko to. Kasi itong kumpanyang to ang nagbigay sa akin ng hope. Itong kumpanyang to ang literal partner natin sa pag-asenso. Kaya maraming salamat po, Ascendra International. Thank you so much!
Hello everybody. Thank you for inviting us. We are proud to come to here. Manila, we love you.
We actually have the best salmon oil in the world. It's the best not only salmon oil, but we believe the best fish oil in the world. We are one ingredient and the best ingredient at that.
And not all food supplements can be Omega Life, okay?
And I think we all are here to committed. We are not just selling something, we are selling the best product to our customers.
Kaya kung ready ka nang simulan ang panibagong chapter mo dito, tara na sa Ascendra International. Kasi kami ang partner mo para pagkahintayin natin ang storya mo ngayon.
From one day to day one, pag naging legacy partner ka, magiging part owner ka mismo ng Ascendra International. Nasa harapan niyo po ngayon ang nangarap 23 years ago na magbago buhay. Hindi lang buhay ko nagbago. Ang daming buhay pa ng ibang tao ang nagbago dahil sa desisyon kong baguhin ang buhay ko. Yung mga nandito ngayon sa Ascendra na lumalaban, nangangarap para sa pamilya nila, sisiguraduhin namin kayo, nandito kami hanggang hindi nyo nakukuha mga pangarap nyo sa buhay at pamilya nyo.
Nandito na tayo ngayon, grand launching. Officially, I declare that this is our day 1. There's a long road ahead, but we believe that if we work together as a team in Ascendra, we will make history together.
We are here to help you grow. We have the technology to build your business everywhere. Kaya mga kaibigan, let's all ascend together. Good evening to each and every one of you. Turbo!
This is just the beginning of Ascendra, a whole new era!
Wind blows underneath the soles of my brand new parachute. Got the attention, I'm on a mission. No sweat in the way I step, I got a fresh new attitude. Oh my, 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 oh my, my, my. Call me a king, you can buy me a crown. Oh my, 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 oh my, my, my. I'm leveled up, and this is my world now. This is my world now. So anyone who try to write me off, tell them they can go and write this down. This is my world now. New look, got the ladies shook. New watch saying it's my time. These magazines wanna feature me, cause they know I'm on the rise. Get the attention, I'm on a mission. Cause ever since I flipped that switch, my power can't be denied. Oh my, 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 oh my, my, my. Call me a king, you can buy me a crown. Oh my, 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 oh my, my, my. I'm leveled up, and this is my world now. This is my world now. So anyone who try to write me off, tell them they can go and write this down. This is my world now. Get the attention, I'm on a mission. I'm in with the vision. Got a passion, making it happen. I'm ready for action. And this is my world now.